mental math, division by 10 and 100. Actually, we have done this sort of question before, but in our regular class, but it is for the revision, and I am sure you all must enjoy it. Suppose a number is there, for instance 8 is given and we have to divide it by 2. So answer must be 4 here, because a single digit is given 8 and divided by the single digit 2 is become. Suppose 80 is given and we have to divide by 2 is here. We just suppose that 0 is not available. We just see the 10, unit 10 here. So 8 divided by 2, it become 4, and we just write 0 just after the 0. So in the division rule, when there is a digit, we are dividing, and what the answer is come, we just insert 0 if there is 0 is added to the previous number. Suppose 8 divided by 2, it become 4, and a 1 0 is placed here, so we must place 1 0 in the answer as well. Similarly, suppose a number is 4, it is divided by 2, so answer must be 2, because 2 to the 4, and when 40 is divided by 2, so we must write 2, and the 1 0 is added here, so we write 1 0 is here as well. So the 20 is common. Similarly, if we are given 400 and we are asked to divide it by 2, we just apply the same formula. 2 to the 4, the 2 is here, and the 2 0 are added here extra, so we just write 2 0 here, so 200 is here. Now similarly, I am going to pause the video for a while, just giving you a question, so you solve yourself. Suppose a number is 6 is given and we are asked to divide it by 3, so what would be the answer? Similarly, 60 is given and it is divided by 3, so what will be the answer? And if the 600 is given and the division is by 3, what will be the answer as well? And if I add one more number, 6000 divided by 3, what will be the answer? So you do yourself. I will try it. I will do it for you for your correction. So I wish you do it yourself for your practice right now. So 6 divided by 3 is basically 2. 2 is here, 3 to the 6, and similarly here 3 to the 6, and but the 1 0 is added here, so we must add 1 0 here as well, so it become 20, or 23 the 60. Similarly, when the 2 0 are here and the 1 digit we divide by 3, so it become 3 to the 6, and the 2 0 are here, so we add 2 0 here, and when multiply 200 by 3, it becomes 600. Similarly, 3 to the 6, and how many 0 are there? 3 0, so we just add 3 0 here. This is the mental math. Now, if we are given some estimation, there is one more questions are given and the estimation is there. Estimation, we just round the number. Suppose 21 and we have to add it with say 9. So it is one method is that you add 9 1 is 10, 0 1 is carry, and 12 1 3. But the estimation is different. Estimation, we just round it up the number. So 20 can be rounded up to the 20 nearest 10, and the 9 can be rounded up to nearest 10 as 10. It is not equal to, it is rounded up. It is estimation. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Similarly, if it is given 24 and we have to add 10 here, so we just round it up, and actually we are asked to estimate the number. Estimation. So we just round it up. So 24 can be rounded up to 20, and the 8 can be 10. 8 can be written as 10. So answer is also 30, but it is not exactly. It is estimation. So we write this notation. It is not this equal to, it is estimation. Estimation. So whenever a question is given and you are asked to estimate the number, you have to round it up. Similarly, if one more question I am going to do it, suppose the estimation is given and we are given 27 and 9 is we have to add 9. So 9 and 7 16, 6 is there and 1 is carry 2 over 3. So it is 36 if we add these two numbers. But when estimate nearest 10, so we just estimate. So 27 can be written as 27 can be estimated as 30 and the 9 can be estimated as 10. So the 9 can be estimated as 10. When we add them 30 and then it is 40. So it is not exactly, but it is rounded out. So it is estimated number. Estimated or estimation. So similarly, I am going to give you one more question to see how much you have got it. So there is question like 24 and say 8 is here. So we have to add it. So do it yourself by just adding it and by estimation. So two way, and then when we estimate it, round it 10. So 8 and 4 is 12, 1 is carry and 2 and 1 3. So 32 is the answer. When we estimate it, 24 can be written as 20 and 8 can be written as 10. So it becomes 30. So the estimation answer is 30. So this is all about this estimation and the mental math. I am sure you must do the worksheet, attach it and submit within the time. Still there any problem, you may write in comment, I will reply you inshallah.